Your paycheck isn't disappearing by accident. Your brain is spending it before you even notice. Most people think budgeting means writing down every dollar they spend, but that's not the real problem. Imagine you have 10 cookies. If you eat all 10 today, you'll have none tomorrow. Money works exactly the same way. When you get paid, save 2 cookies first, then spend the other 8. Wait until the end to save, and there's usually nothing left. That's why people who build wealth do one simple thing. They save first, then they spend what's left. You don't need a bigger paycheck. You need a better order. One small habit, the same paycheck, a completely different future. If this changed the way you think about money, subscribe and support the channel, because the next minute you spend here could save you years of money mistakes.